I go no school guys.
Hammers, anvils, chisels, tongs, and forges. Blacksmiths use these to mold metal into tools and weapons. But what if you don't have blacksmithing tools? Can you still make blacksmithing tools? I'm gonna see if I can make blacksmithing tools from items I have at home, only giving myself $2 to spend at the scrapyard. Previously we made an anvil out of scrap, a table and furnace out of dirt, and this time it's gonna be a pair of tongs and hammer. Now our journey starts here, at the scrapyard. That's a flippin' lot of scrap. You know, I'm just hoping something to jump out at me. Something I could use. I'm not really exactly sure. I just have a rough idea what I want. Like, I'll tell you what that is. That's a piece of hard steel. That. I think I'm gonna take that. A blacksmith sees what others don't. Potential, raw strength, and wait. Is that a fishing rod? I think this will work. Look at this. It's gonna work perfectly. It's a solid piece of metal. Oh, flip, I almost forgot about my spanner. Flip and head it away. I think that's gonna be nice for another video. So this thing's too big, it's not going to fit in the furnace, so I'm just going to have to open up the sides. Yeah, so little problem, just a small one. Focus. Thank you. I melted this thing. I was so disappointed when this thing came out and it was melted.
You underestimate my power.
But it is what it is. But I did make the other blank. It looks sexy. Look at that. It's too bad the other one melted. So I'm not going back to the scrapyard. I got another piece of rebar. You know, we're just gonna swap them out. You know. Oh, it's cheating. That's too bad, man. What? They're getting bored?
Listen, these things, we need them. Only you can get them for us.
So, we need a punch. First of all, punch is going to widen the size and it's not going to remove as much metal as drilling a hole with. There's a small problem using these. The steel's a bit soft, so the tool won't last long. I'll look into making better tools in the future. This is just for now. So, there is a problem when you're making tongs for the first time. I mean, look at that! Like, Seriously, what are you seeing? I don't know what you're seeing. What normally happens is you come out with tongs that are, you know, they're not the same. The one side different to the other side. So the solution is don't finish the one tong and then, or you know, one half of the tong and then move to the next one. Do it in stages, you know. Draw it out and then keep that one side. Then take out the other piece and draw it out to the same, you know, to the same stage, and then compare the two. Okay, this one's a bit long, this one's a bit short. You know, yada yada yada. You get the picture, I think. Do you? This side is flat because that's the side that's gonna be rocking back and forth right in the middle there. It's gotta line up with the flat side on this side because that's gonna be the center of both tongs. It's gonna be a little bit crooked, but when you put them together, it's gonna be okay, quite a bit of space. Maybe quarter inch. This was my favorite part of the project. Seeing my child been birthed. I was really feeling myself right about now. Not touching myself, you pervert. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. Who wouldn't be proud of a child like that? And look, guys, the things actually work. Can you believe it? Thanks for watching.